Hello there. Now, seeing as this channel is relatively new, I don't have any camera equipment to film with. So today, I will be 3D printing a tripod in order to mount my phone. In order to get the file for this tripod, we're going to open up Thingiverse and search for a phone tripod. Come on. As you can see, there's multiple different options. Scroll through these to see which one you like best. Personally, I'm going to be printing this one, the Zoom phone tripod. Now, if you've never used Thingiverse before, it's a lot like a free bank or free library of files that you can 3D print. Now, as you see, this is pulled up the tripod. You can scroll through the different photos, but I'm here to download the file. And there it goes. So once you have the file, open up your slicer. In this case, I'm going to be using the Kira slicer, or Slick 3R, Prusa slicer. It goes by a lot of names. So I'm going to go to my downloads, files. Now, as you can see, it has all the different parts. That you can print. And I am going to first print the leg. So if we open this up again and compress it, we can go like this. Come on. And there we go. Now I will be printing this in PLA at 60 millimeters per second, 0.2 millimeter layer height. Yes. It says this is a incomplete file. There's an arrow. It's auto repairing. Infill 20%. Yes, I want a brim. Support. It doesn't look like it needs support. And slice. As you can see, there is the file. Now I won't be showing you how to do this for every part, but you get the gist of it. Now, unfortunately, I was unable to save the footage of the first two time-lapse prints, but here are the rest of them. Enjoy. well, all the parts have finished printing, and here they are. 9 in total. You have 3 legs, 2 of which are the exact same, and one of them has a hook mechanism in order to attach in order to hold down this piece when it's in the compact state. I had all these pieces have a brim running around the bottom of them, and this part in particular with the threads was a bit difficult to clean up, but I managed to do that with flush cutters. Now the way it all goes together is you have your 3 legs and your base, or the central component. This is the thing everything attaches to. Now, as you'll notice, if you look down from the top, you'll see that there's a flat side facing towards you, and on the opposite of that is a spot for a leg. That is the spot where you mount the leg with the hook. And it just pops in, swivels. Now if you pop the other 2 into place, now you have a nice little stand. Next part is to get this, the larger of the 2 rings with a thread, and you take this part and you match it onto this thread right here. Now I had to sand this outer thread and apply a bit of lubrication, WD-40, in order to get this to spin on, but once you get it, it just spins freely. Now the next step is to take this kind of odd looking rod and you stick it up through the bottom, and if it doesn't quite fit, and it doesn't run smoothly in, just round it out. It'll eventually come out smoothly. Now on the end of this, you'll have your 2 hooks. Now you'll notice that these are similar but also different, in as if you look at them from the side, one is slightly larger, and that one is the one that goes on top. So you take the smaller one and you just slide it on first, and then this is a bit of a tricky part, as you need to put these other 2 pieces on at the exact same time. The way you do that is you slide the top end of the hook on first, and you'll notice that there's a ledge on the inside. Okay, and then there's a ledge on the outer, on the top of this. You have to line those 2 up first, and then screw it on. And that's what makes it so this top part of the hook doesn't fall off. And that's basically it. So in the compact state, looks like this. This threaded rod fits onto there, onto the leg with the hook. Then you fold the other 2 in. You screw this down all the way. Then you screw this top one all the way. And there you go. It's a compact tripod. Now to use it, you open this up, unscrew the top one, unscrew the bottom one, pull the legs out, and there you go. You just mount your phone into here. I'm currently using my phone to film this, but you should get the idea. Let's use this wooden block instead. There you go. The way you you adjust the height is to spin this one. If you spin it up, it gets lower. If you spin it down or clockwise, it gets taller. Yeah, so this is what I'll be using from now on to film my videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.